Hello friends, welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, in this Excel journey, you are learning data analytics step by step. And today we are starting one of the most important formula in Excel, if formula. Guys, why if formula is important? If formula is one of the most asked questions in interviews. If you are preparing for a high-paying job, this formula is a must-know. Guys, this is just the first video of it because this topic is very powerful. So watch this video carefully and don't forget to practice. Now let's start. Guys, here we have a data set with an outcome column, pass and fail. Now imagine your boss says, give bonus only to employee who pass. If pass, give 10,000 bonus. If fail, give 0. Now I will explain step by step if formula. First go to the result cell and type equal if, open the bracket and click FX button. Now logical text, check conditions, select D3 column, type equal and write pass inside double quotes. If value is true, write 10,000. Value is false, write 0 and click OK. Now drag down and guys see the result. All pass will get 10,000 and all fail will get 0. Now let's change it. Instead of number, we return text. Type equal if, open the bracket and click FX button. Logical text, check conditions, select D3 column, type equal, write pass inside double quotes. If value is true, write car. If value is false, no bonus and click OK and drag down. Guys, see the result. All pass will get car, all fail will get no bonus. Important tips. Text must always be inside double quotes, no spelling mistakes, no extra spaces, capital or small letters both work. So guys, in this session, you learn if formula basics, how to apply conditions, text versus number handling, common mistakes, very important for interviews. Now guys, your turn. What did you learn from this video? Was if formula easy or confusing? Comment your top 3 learnings. If you found this helpful, like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to DataDesk Pro because next sessions will be even more powerful. See you in the next sessions. Thank you.